Make a great choice today with the 2022 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.